Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy cooked cream to use in sweets, or ishta as we call it in Arabic. It only takes about 10 minutes to make and it tastes amazing. Let's get started. I'm adding 4 cups or 1 container, 32 ounces of half and half, and 1 small container of heavy whipping cream, 16 ounces. So 4 cups of half and half, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. I added 3/4 of a cup of cornstarch, and I'm gonna whisk it over medium heat until it comes up to a boil. And that's it, your ishta is ready. You can use this for all different kinds of sweets, including حلاوة الجبن, مدلوقة, كنافة, قطايف عصافيري, and so much more. Thanks for watching this easy video. Hope you enjoyed it. Share with your friends this easy 10-minute ishta.